Fusion 360 pro tip. If you've ever been looking at your list of files in your data panel and seen that the visual representation of your file is facing the wrong way, making it difficult to tell exactly what file this is, I want to show you how to fix that. So what we're going to do is open up a file, and we're going to navigate to the view or the angle that we want. We want this to show up in our data panel as we're seeing it. So I'm going to navigate maybe to here, and Fusion uses your home view as the picture that it uses on a file in your data panel. So all we have to do is navigate to the view that we like, that we want it to display as. We're going to right-click over here on our view cube and say Set Current View as Home, Fit to View. As soon as I say Save, you'll notice this picture here in my data panel updates to reflect my home view. Under Named Views, Home here, this is what we're looking at. This home and clicking this home icon up here in the view cube do the same thing. And that is the only view that Fusion uses on a given file. So I have here a few different fixtures that are all facing the wrong way. Maybe they were modeled in my opinion, in the wrong orientation relative to my file origin. That's okay. They can remain modeled in the direction that they are. I'm just going to go through and update the home view so that I can more easily tell what part they are when I see them here in my data panel. I want to drive this point home. It does not have to be looking down at a certain corner. This can be any arbitrary view I want. I'm just orienting to something that I like. Right click, set current view as home, fit to view, save, and now this file has updated to exactly how I'm looking at this part right now. Very handy. Maybe I didn't quite like that. I want it like this. Go through the same steps. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed.